एक मिनट के लगा. Good morning, all of you. How are you all? Okay, fine. I hope you all are fine. That day means in previous period we started our lesson number 1. Which is our lesson number 1? Natural resources. Natural resources: air, water and land. Air, water and land. We started and we also discussed some points: atmosphere, layer of atmosphere and spheres of the earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere. Understand? Now, in the natural resources, we already discussed about proportion of land and water also. Okay. How many percent of land, how many percent of water on the surface of earth, and which are the natural resources. So, air, water and land are the natural resources, and layers of 5 layers of atmosphere. Which are the 5 layers of atmosphere that day we discussed? Troposphere, second is the stratosphere, third one mesosphere, then thermosphere and exosphere. Understand? Exosphere. Now next topic, today we will start. Take out the page number 2. Take out the page number 2. Air. The air in the atmosphere around the earth contains nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, 6 inert gases. Which are inert gases? Argon, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, sulfur dioxide, water vapor and dust particle. These are the all parts of the earth. Air. The troposphere contains about 80% of total mass of gases in air. That day also I told you, in the troposphere 80% of air is present. This proportion about 19% in the troposphere and remaining 1% mesosphere. Over. In the exosphere and thermosphere, no air is found. That day I also gave the example ना. कैसे example दिया था आपको? क्लाइंबर्स जो है माउंटेन्स पे जाते हैं तो उनके पास क्या रहता है? ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर. व्हाई दे कैरी ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर विद देम? एज वी गो हाई इन द एयर, इन द एटमॉस्फेयर, मीन्स जैसे हम ऊंचाई पे जाएंगे, ज़्यादा ऊपर जाएंगे, व्हाट विल हैपन? द अमाउंट ऑफ ऑक्सीजन will be decrease. Amount of oxygen will be decrease. Understand? So they carry the oxygen cylinder with them. Understand? Need of oxygen is very, very important. You know, today is the World's Ozone Day. World's Ozone Day. So happy World's Ozone Day. Understand? The proportion of the mass of the gases goes on decreasing. The gases are not found in exosphere and beyond. Exo means outer. Exo means outer. Exosphere, there is no air found and lack of oxygen. You can see that air is a mixture of several gases and this chief constituent of the earth atmosphere. Beside these gases, air also contains water vapor and dust particle. The amount of gases in the air is the greatest near the surface of the decree as we go higher and higher from the surface. That is, the air becomes rare in the higher altitude. Just now I told you, as we go higher and higher, air will be decreases. The proportion of the constituent of air and some there here proportion of the various gases. We know that एयर में बहुत सारे गैस प्रेजेंट है, एयर में बहुत सारे गैसेस प्रेजेंट हैं. अभी विच गैस, कौन से गैस का कितना प्रपोर्शन है? तो अभी हम 1.3, आप डायग्राम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पे 1.3. सो वी विल सी नाइट्रोजन 78%. %78 कौन है? नाइट्रोजन, सबसे ज्यादा कौन है अपने पास? नाइट्रोजन. ऑक्सीजन इज 21%. 21% ऑक्सीजन. Okay, next is the 0.9%. Who is argon? 0.9% argon. Okay, and next one is the 0.03% carbon dioxide. 0.03% कौन है यहाँ पे? CO2, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. एंड 0.07%. 0.07% other gases. Other gases and components. Means dust particle is there, inert gases are there. Understand? Proportion of various gases in air. That is the proportion of various gases in air. 78% which gas is there? Nitrogen. 78% nitrogen is there. 21% oxygen is there. 0.9% argon. Argon is there. 0.03% carbon dioxide is there. 0.07% other gases and other components are there. Understand? These are the proportion of various types of gases in air. Means कौन से gases कौन से amount में air में present है. The proportion of constituent of air and some of their uses are given here. Now we know that which gases are there? Nitrogen, oxygen, argon, carbon dioxide, then carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Now we will see one by one their uses. Some uses of gases in air. Nitrogen. You know nitrogen, you heard? Yes. Help living things to build necessary protein. It is useful in the production ammonia and airtight packaging foodstuff. एयरटाइट कंटेनर में नाइट्रोजन हमको लगता है. ऑक्सीजन इज नेसेसरी फॉर रेस्पिरेशन इन द लिविंग थिंग्स एंड फॉर कंबशन. कंबशन मीन्स हीट, फायर, एंड रेस्पिरेशन मीन्स सांस लेना और छोड़ना. श्वसन जिसको हम बोलते हैं उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम? ऑक्सीजन इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. यू नो दैट इफ देयर इज नो ऑक्सीजन आई कांट लिव, you can't live, no one can live. Oxygen is very very important for the living thing. Carbon dioxide, plant use it for producing their food. Use in the fire extinguisher. आग लगती है ना, आपने देखा है ना, अग्निशामक बोलते हैं हम. फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर सिलेंडर जैसे रहता है. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से हम क्या करते हैं? आग को बुझाने के लिए यूज में आता है. आर्गन यूज्ड इन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब. आर्गन इलेक्ट्रिक बल्ब है ना, हाँ, उसमें यूज होता है. हीलियम यूज फॉर ऑब्टेनिंग लो टेम्परेचर एंड ऑल्सो फॉर जनरेटिंग लिफ्ट इन एयरशिप्स. लाइट वेट जो बलून रहते हैं ना, हवा में से अपने हाथ में से छूटने से एयर में चले जाते हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो हीलियम. नियॉन यूज्ड इन डेकोरेटिव लाइट्स एंड फॉर स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग. नियॉन डेकोरेटिव, बहुत सारे लाइट्स रहते हैं ना डेकोरेशन के, लैम्प्स, उसमें नियॉन का यूज होता है. क्रिप्टॉन यूज्ड इन द फ्लोरोसेंट ट्यूब. फ्लोरोसेंट ट्यूब रहते हैं ना, उसमें क्या रहता है? क्रिप्टॉन. जेनॉन यूज्ड इन द फ्लैश फोटोग्राफी. फोटोशूट आपको पता है, फोटोग्राफर. देन उस स्टूडियो में जो फ्लैश फोटोग्राफी रहती है, xenon is used there. Xenon is used there. Understand? These are the some uses of the air. Okay. Now always remember on page number 2, Living world on the earth is sustained due to the balance between the various gases and other constituent of air. Atmosphere is very important filter. It allows the light and the heat of the sun to reach the earth, which is necessary for life. But it prevents harmful element from the reaching the earth. It is in the atmosphere that fog, clouds, snow and rain and be produced. So many gases present in the air, but these gases, which are these gases? 78% nitrogen, 21% oxygen, 0.9% argon, 0.03% CO2 means carbon dioxide, 0.07% means other gases and components. The balance between other gases and the components and some here, all these important gases is very very important. It should be equilibrium position, है ना, proportion, proper proportion में वो होना चाहिए. Understand that much? Okay. Now come on the page number 3. Take out your page number 3. What is the similarity in the 3 pictures below? वहाँ पे आपको 3 pictures दिए हैं. Observe the pictures for few seconds and tell me what is the similarity. 3 pictures is of the air pollution. See, first chimneys are there. From the chimneys smoke is coming out. In the second picture one car is there. From the car smoke is coming. And in the third picture fire is there. आग लगी है. From that also smoke is, black color smoke is coming out. All these are producing air pollution. All these are producing air pollution. All the above pictures show large scale emission of smoke through different agency. Emission means smoke बाहर फेंकना. From chimney emission smoke means chimney से smoke बाहर निकलना. कार या ओवन से भी व्हीकल्स है, उसमें से भी स्मोक क्या करता है, इमिट आउट मीन्स, इमिशन मीन्स एकदम से वो बाहर निकलना. This smoke directly mixes with the atmosphere, disturbing the balance between the constituent of air. Yes, this smoke will come out in air. Okay, and what will happen? All these constituents of gases will be disturbed. Yes or no? Yes. For example, आपका वर्क कर रहे हैं और उसमें से एक्स्ट्रा पीपल कुछ भी आ गए तो क्या हो जाएगा, आपका वर्क डिस्टर्ब हो जाएगा. सो इट विल बी गेटिंग डिस्टर्ब. बैलेंस बिटवीन द कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ एयर, दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एयर पोल्यूशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज एयर पोल्यूशन. Harmful gases are given out through combustion of fuel in the vehicles and in big industries, and also through incomplete combustion of fuel like wood and coal. Harmful gases कहाँ से जनरेट होते हैं, कहाँ से एमिट होते हैं? हार्मफुल गैसेस इनकम्प्लीट कम्बशन. जो हाफ क्या बोलते हैं हम उसको, जब भी कुछ आग लग जाती है तो उसमें से कुछ चीज़ें 100% नहीं जलती है, 50% जल गई है, तो उसमें से भी बहुत सारा क्या होता है, हार्मफुल गैसेस इमिट होते हैं. बिग इंडस्ट्रीज, यू नो, कंपनीज आर देयर, companies are there, then factories are there, big companies are there. From that smoke will come out, it will go in air, and main components of air will be get disturbances: nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide. As a result, air pollution is increasing day by day. एयर पोल्यूशन बढ़ रहा है ना अभी? यस, बढ़ रहा है ना. इसलिए लंग्स कैंसर, रेस्पिरेशन डिसीजेस, है ना. ऑक्सीजन क्या हो रहा है, कम. ऑक्सीजन इज रिड्यूस्ड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज इंक्रीज. सो एयर पोल्यूशन इज इंक्रीजिंग डे बाय डे. मीन्स हर दिन एयर पोल्यूशन क्या हो रहा है, बढ़ रहा है. Here one box is given. Observe that box. Harmful substances released in the air through combustion of fuel. कौन से हार्मफुल सब्सटेंसेस जाते हैं अभी एयर में? देखो, नाइट्रोजन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड, सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड एंड सूट. These are the harmful gases. How they release in air? By the factories and combustion of the heat and the so many companies. Ozone layer, protective shell. Just now I told you. What is today? Today is the World's Ozone Day. I told you. Today is the World's Ozone Day. देखो यहाँ पे अभी ओजोन लेयर आ गई ना? Yes. Ozone layer, the protective shell. Ozone is the protective covering of the earth. There is a layer of ozone means O3 gas in the lower part of the stratosphere. हमने layers atmosphere के layer देखे हैं ना? There are 5 main layers of the atmosphere. एटमॉस्फियर की जो स्ट्रेटोस्फियर लेयर है वहाँ पे ओजोन प्रेजेंट रहता है. अंडरस्टैंड? It is not directly used for the surviving of living things, yet is very very important for the living things to have this layer of the ozone at high altitude around the earth. अपनी जो अर्थ है उसको पूरा सराउंड्स किसने किया है? ओजोन लेयर ने. Earth. For example, this is the earth. Ozone surrounds the earth means it protects the earth. It protects the earth. Understand? The ozone gas absorbs these rays. Sun gives us ultraviolet rays. It is very very hot. It is very very hot and unbearable. So what will ozone do? Ozone layer absorb these rays. And due to ozone we are safe. Due to ozone we are safe. So ozone is very very important for us. So let us celebrate Ozone Day. So today is World's Ozone Day. Next part we will see next period. Goodbye, take care and be safe.